Muthenya wa ira riboti ya ruhonge rwa kuramata mathogora ma maguta EPRA ironanirie petrol na dithuru ciambatĩte na ciringi 9.8 undu riu ukirirwo ni mumbunge wa KIHARU Ndindi NYORO.
We saw the fuel prices going up yesterday drastically, and the explanation that was given by government is not accurate. We saw the fuel prices.
Kuringana na Ndindi, thina wa kwambatira kwa maguta ti thina wa kimabũrũri, indi ni thirikari gathikite magoti matahitukirio ni mbunge maria riu irahuthira kuya ngombo ingi ta mwigitio.
But the more unfortunate bit is that this year the government has taken that 7 shillings, taken to the banks as security, and then they have taken a loan of 175 billion shillings. This money is not reflecting in the government books as a debt, and therefore it can only pass as an illegal debt, because whatever is not accounted for as a debt, then any other debt is illegal.
Ndindi ataririe ati bũrũri ũbatie kugarura mũtaratara wa magoti nĩguo agũri magitirwo no rĩu maũndũ marekwo mũgarũ.
There has been a lot of secrecy around securitization, because these questions we have asked them even in parliament. Even the people in the treasury don't seem to know. Some of the questions we are asking: how much money is the government actually borrowing? Because even the 175 is from different sources other than the official source.
Agikira mukonde wira wake ataririe ati thirikari ni yahitukirie ciringi 7 ire ta igoti ria maguta riria thogora wa maguta gikiro-ini gia kimabũrũri wagwite undu uria waumire a Kenya mweke wa kuguneka na kugwa kwa mathogora maya.
The government of Kenya actually added a new levy last year of 7 shillings in the fuel prices. And how the government works is that time when the fuel prices are coming down, actually that's the reason why Kenya's never felt the global deceleration of the oil prices. Because it's around that time that the government introduced a secret 7 shillings in fuel levy. That is partly one of the problems why the fuel prices are going up.
Wakwahura makiria ni ati thirikari icokete kuya igoti riri ta mwigitio wa ngombo ya muigana wa ciringi bilioni 175 mbeca iria itari mabuku-ini ma thirĩ ona kana wĩira wa kuhitukio ni mbunge.
Is this money sovereign guaranteed? Because it seems to be nowhere in the government books. It actually also never came to parliament for any ratification. The problem of this is that we now have the government spending money in advance. They have already collected money in advance for the next 7 years. So if Kenyans demand lower fuel prices, and you've already taken loans using the levies and taxes, how are you going to alter the pump fuel prices? Because the only tool you have is taxes and levies, and it is the one that you've already securitized. And this securitization term is another dogma that is being brought around to confuse Kenyans. It is important for the government to be prudent.
Ni kumana na maya mothe riu akauga ni gubatie gutabania uthurimi wa mabuku ma thiri wa bũrũri amu thirikari igoka cia kwaga kwamũkĩra ngombo o ciothe kumana na mũtugo ũyũ. Andũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV ritwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.